my YouTube channel. Today I'm just showing you what I do every day if I want to look a little bit nicer than I normally do. So I have got lashes, orange lip, and very bronzed as per normal. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with a bit of primer. This is the Revolution one, and I'm just going to put this in the bits where I have the biggest pores, so like my nose, my cheeks, all over my face. I actually really like this primer because it's the first silicone primer that I've used that hasn't like made the foundation just like melt off my face. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and a bit of the setting spray by Revolution again and put it all over my beauty blender. And I'm going to go in with my favourite all-time foundation, and this is the L'Oreal Too Much foundation. I absolutely love it. It makes your skin look so glowy and it actually looks like your skin rather than it just looking like a mask. So now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just dab that all over my face, just to try and get like an even coverage throughout. So now I'm going to take my flat top Zoeva foundation brush and I'm just going to buff in all of the edges around my face just to make everything seamless and flawless. So now I'm going to use my Collection concealer in the shade Light and just put it all underneath my eyes, covering those under eye circles, putting a little bit on my nose, chin and forehead just to highlight, and then I've got a little bit of discoloration on my left cheek, so I'm going to cover that up as well. And of course blending it all in with a damp beauty blender. So now I'm going to use a bit of my setting spray onto my angled eyebrow brush from MAC, and then I'm going to use the MAC Truly Brunette Brow Pomade, and then I'm just going to put this underneath my eyebrows, creating a line, and then do the same on the top and then fill them in. So now I'm just going to use my Benefit Gimme Brow Eyebrow Setting Gel, and I'm just going to run this all through my eyebrows, trying to keep them in place. Oh Jesus, the actual difference between my eyebrows makes me laugh so much. So now we're going to use the Collection Brow Palette, and I'm going to use the shade in the middle, and I'm going to run this through my brows, setting everything and just defining the edges. So now I'm going to use my Kat Von D loose powder and my Real Techniques powder brush, and I'm just going to set my foundation and concealer, not baking because we don't have time for that on a daily basis. So now I'm going to use the Rimmel Contour Kit, and I'm going to use this little powder brush that I have, and I'm going to contour my cheekbones, making sure to blend up and not down, and I'm going to bronze my forehead up as well.
Okay, so again I'm going to use my Rimmel contour palette, and I'm going to use this little paddle brush and just contour my nose a little bit. So I'm going to take the brush and just draw lines down either side of my nose and then blending it down. So now I'm going to highlight my face. So I'm going to use MAC's Gleaming Blush, and I'm going to take a fan brush and I'm going to put this all over my face pretty much, but specifically my cheekbones, nose and a little bit on my chin. So now I'm going to do something that I've only just started doing recently, but it really makes you look like you've put in a little bit more effort on a day-to-day basis. So I'm going to use the bronzer that I used earlier and put this in my crease, and then I'm going to use the highlighter in the same palette and put this in my inner tear duct, and this is just going to help brighten your eyes. So now to finish the eye makeup, I'm going to make a wing, and I'm going to use the Max Factor waterproof eyeliner, and then I'm going to coat my top and bottom lashes with the Sun Benefit mascara, and then I'm going to put some Ardell wispy lashes on top. So now to finish the overall look, I'm going to take the W7 Cosmetics Stay Matte Balm. I'm going to put this all over my lips. It's such an amazing shade. It kind of goes on quite pinky, but then it dries quite orangey. I really like the formula.
Okay, so that's it for this makeup tutorial. This is what I want to do on days when I want to make a little bit more effort. It's definitely not something I do every day. But thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, then like and subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you guys, bye! I cannot get that bloody 50 Shades song out of my head, okay.